There are so many open questions to answer regarding the process of biomineralization, so how it forms, from which we can learn, and it can inspire the development of other sustainable materials, which are also critical in this moment. For me, as a material scientist interested in engineering living materials, corals is an amazing example and an inspiration for us, for my group, to create new materials.
It is somewhat discouraging seeing the trend lines and hearing about, the bleaching of the Great Barrier Reef and the coral reefs in Florida. What gives me some hope is that we have the capability to keep coral in captive environments like this, so we can still hold on to something. What gives me a little bit more hope are projects like this, where we're working to see what can we do, what can we engineer, what can we create. We can help those coral that are still out there in these natural areas in the Caribbean, in Curacao. We can see how can we help propagate those larvae, how can we help ensure that those larvae can settle, how can we help give them the best head start, how can we help supplement their growth.
What we want to do is try and help recover the ecosystems that we can. So I definitely think that engineering and that technology in general, not just to be able to monitor all of these different things, but also to be able to ultimately intervene in more educated ways, is the way forward. Trying to put together as many disciplines and as many hats into that ring is a great way to go about it. So I'm really grateful to be working with this team and to all the cool stuff we've been able to do together in Curacao.
Illinois and mechanical science and engineering at Illinois is a really special place. There's so many opportunities to collaborate across campus. It's really unusual, and it's encouraged and it's incentivized. It makes being here really, really fun, and you get to do things that are so creative and just so unique, because both the culture and also the resources are just outstanding.
I became a parent like a year ago. My daughter is now 1 year, and I would love her to explore the beauties of the world, and corals are one of the most beautiful creatures and useful as well. Since they are doing very bad, I would love them to propagate and live better, so she can actually enjoy diving with me and with the corals.